who made it.
Alright, so got the Harley pulled out. Also got a package. Actually, the package been here, but yeah, I mean, either way. So what we gonna do today is we order this heel shifter, and what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put that bad boy on now and try it out. When I was first looking at bikes or whatever, I seen a couple that had the heel shifter on there, but I ain't really. I was going more for like all the big stuff that the bike had that I wanted. So of course, color, bars, a lot of stuff was already done on this bike. So that was my main thing. So something little like a flow shifter or a heel shifter, etc., like that stuff that I could always go back and add later. No big deal. So let me see exactly what we're gonna need. I know that this is just a cap. Trying to get to where y'all can see it, dude. So I know that's just held on with a little Allen screw or whatever there. So I'm gonna see, unscrew that, take that off, and then we'll go from there. It's a little tight squeeze, but we'll make it work. All right, so this was this was very, very, very straight to the point. So you slide it on there to make sure it slid all the way on there. I just hit it with the rubber mallet, got it all the way on there, came out flush. So now I'm looking at it, and I don't know. It looks weird. Almost like it's, I don't know if that's too long, too short, or just right. So y'all let me know. But I got some stuff I'm gonna be doing today, ripping and running. So I'm gonna try it out, see if I like it, and if I do, then I'll keep it. If I don't, I'm gonna send it back. Plain and simple. Straight like that. So we'll see. I'll give y'all an update video eventually, probably, well, later today. Cause today I don't plan on taking the truck nowhere. Everything gonna be on the bike. Nice day, weather's nice. Last day, for real. I can really get it in. So we gonna make it do what it do. So yeah, look out for that part, and then we'll go from there.